Hey guys, I'm going to explain to you multiple Instagram accounts on Threads. So if you have more than one Instagram account, you can use multiple Threads accounts. So each Threads profile is linked to a specific Instagram account, which means every Instagram account has its own separate Threads profile. So to switch between accounts, open the Threads app and tap and press your profile at the bottom right corner. So press and hold it. Then tap the username you want to use. So select the account you want to use or tap add profile to sign in with another Instagram account if it isn't already connected. So each Threads account has its own profile and bio, posts and replies, followers and following lists, privacy settings, notifications, and account preferences. So, switching between accounts won't merge your content or followers. So, everything stays separate because each thread's profile is tied to a different Instagram account. So, if you want to add another threads account, make sure the corresponding Instagram account already exists. So, once you sign in, you can easily switch between your threads profile whenever needed without logging out each time. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.